Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the VMI rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. We'll first open up the liftgate. You will then have to push this button here to unlock the ramp. Pull it out like so. So this ramp here is going to be 34 inches wide. The entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. Back here you will have the wheelchair user, and this van here is going to come with a set of retractable straps. And in the middle you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have driver and passenger, and this van here only has 76,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring up the ramp. Make sure it's locked, and then close the liftgate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection, where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 76,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.